Are you making these money mistakes that could cost you big in your 20s and 30s? In this video, I'm going to share the most common financial mistakes people make and how you can avoid them to build a stronger, more secure future. Your 20s and 30s are some of the most crucial years for building a solid financial foundation. The choices you make now can set you up for success or cause long-term financial stress. So let's talk about the top money mistakes to avoid during this time. Mistake 1. Not building an emergency fund. One of the biggest mistakes people make is ignoring the importance of an emergency fund to cover unexpected bills, car repairs, or even job loss. Without an emergency fund, you might end up in debt when those things hit. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It may seem hard, but starting small, like saving $50 a month, adds up over time. Mistake 2. Living beyond your means. In your 20s and 30s, it's easy to get caught up in the desire to keep up with friends, splurge on the latest trends, or show off your lifestyle. But this often leads to spending more than you make. The key is to live within your means and avoid credit card debt. Budgeting isn't restrictive, it's freedom. When you control your spending, you free up money for the things that really matter. Mistake 3. Ignoring retirement savings. Many people in their 20s and 30s put off saving for retirement because they think it's too far in the future. But here's the truth. The earlier you start, the easier it is. Even small contributions to a retirement account, like a 401k or IRA, can snowball over the decades due to compound interest. Start as early as possible, even if it's just a little bit, because every dollar you put in now works harder for you in the future. Mistake 4. Not having a plan for debt. Debt is a reality for most people in their 20s and 30s, but the mistake is in how you manage it. Avoid the trap of only paying the minimum on your credit cards or loans. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt, like credit cards, as quickly as possible. The longer you carry debt, the more it drags you down financially. Look for ways to consolidate or refinance loans if you can, and develop a clear strategy for paying them off. Mistake 5. Failing to set financial goals. Without clear financial goals, it's easy to feel lost. Whether it's saving for a house, paying off student loans, or building an emergency fund, setting specific, actionable goals is key. Take some time to map out what you want financially in the next 10 years. Break it down into manageable steps and track your progress. When you have a plan, you're more likely to stay motivated and on track. Like, subscribe, and share for more money smart tips.